Vivian from Muldoon has a question about spray foam.
She's one of you. By the way, Muldoon, you know where that is?
No, I don't.
It's you know where the Buc-ee's is between here and San Antonio, about halfway, like Luling?
I love Buc-ee's.
Okay. It's just north of the freeway, and I know that because our family has land there that they go to. They call it the Patch. It's in Muldoon.
Your family?
Sandy's family.
Oh, Sandy's family. Okay, your family.
My gift with purchase family.
I got you.
So, all right. Anyway, so Vivian is a 1990 owner-builder alumni of yours.
From Houston Community College.
That's
right. Brought me to this city.
And she has profited from your experience over these many years, but now she's building a home, and this is beyond their scope.
She's the lady that built a garage apartment first, and then they built a house later. I remember her now.
And now they're building another house, but they're a little on in the years, and they're hiring a builder.
No, I understand.
So Vivian writes, what do you think of open cell spray foam insulation? Now, I'm guessing just by her asking that question, she wasn't an A student in your class. Anyway.
No, she was definitely an A student. They actually built a home, a garage apartment, lived in it, and built a home out front, and then moved into it. I remember them. They were very good.
I'm with you. I'm sold.
Okay, but that was 30, 40 years ago.
You're selling past the close. I got you. All right, anyway. Yes. She says, a builder sings the praise of this funky insulation. I understand it's so tight, a fresh air vent is necessary. Excellent insulation, I'm told, but the phrase sick house comes to mind. What about this house wrap stuff also, she says? Should she worry about using house wrap?
Okay, first off, you always have a fresh air return, even without the foam.
Okay.
And with the foam, if you don't, think about it. If you go into a room with no fresh air and you live there for about 2 weeks, you probably will die.
I was going to say, if you live in a room without fresh air, you're coming out in a bag.
Yeah. I mean, it's just the bottom line. So she's absolutely right. Her intuition's telling her exactly what she needs to know. But yeah, always have a fresh air return. But in a conventional home, the way I taught her and all my students, radiant barrier, insulation, and fresh air return. Don't change it. Why would it change from 1990 to 2020? Are you kidding me?
Maybe she
thinks, my God, that's old.
I'll tell you what I think it is, Tom. I think a lot of builders are out there using the word open cell, saying, oh, this breathes. It's not like the old closed cell.
I understand. It doesn't make any difference. You're closing up the home and you're making a styrofoam container that you live in, and that's just not healthy. Now, as far as the wraps, there's some good ones out there, like Tyvek. They have a perm rating. They breathe. All that is a moisture barrier, not a vapor barrier, which is the big difference.
I visited a guy one time. He was over on Highway 71. I don't know if he's there or not anymore. Between Houston, you come off I-10 up to Austin. Okay. He's on 71 there. And he was really proud. He used to have this big solar farm out there.
Oh, the solar farm guy. We did a video on him. Yes.
Well, what you didn't see in the video was his house. He had built his house with that isoline block thing and covered with the stucco, and he had the foam in the attic and stuff. You walked in the house. The minute you walked in the house, you could feel this clamminess to the air. You could feel this. This is not a. My sinuses just said this is not a healthy place.
And you know what? It's funny you say sinuses because your nose will tell you so much if you, like a dog. Dog can look at a sandwich and it can smell the lettuce, the tomato, the mustard, and it can tear it apart. But
I don't want to know how you know this.
I read it in a magazine once.
Okay.
Anyway, you have to listen to your body. And your body will tell you. People don't listen to their bodies. They care about how cheap my electricity bill is. But no, don't do it.
All right, Vivian. So nix the spray foam.
Yeah. Do it what I taught you to do and what we taught you to do at the Owner Builder Center. Do it the same way. You're fine.
Time-tested principles.
Yeah.
And your nose knows.
That's true. That's why it's above your mouth. So you don't put anything in your mouth that doesn't smell right. Okay.
Well, it smells like it's time for us to get more questions here from you. So go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. When you send it in, we'll take your question, answer it in one of these videos, or maybe put it on our Facebook Live broadcast.